Today's video is a quick one. Basically, I want to share my experience with the Cloudflare Warp tool. Many times when I watch movies, the server buffering causes a lot of trouble running the entire experience. Sometimes certain websites are so accessible that finding a specific VPN for them become quite a difficult process. So what I do is use the Cloudflare Warp tool. The Cloudflare Warp tool is a tool that optimizes your routes if a website or server is restricted. It's divert the route path to get you to that website without any ping delay. In simple words, it's reduce the delay between the server and you, and it also improves your network performance. Now, it does not necessarily improve your ping in games, but for movies and those gaming servers that you can't access or having issues with between the server and your local network, it will fix that damage. It will also make your internet more stable. So for downloading, you can just open any browser. Now after opening the browser, just type here the 1.1.1 4 times, just type 1 with dot and then hit enter. It's the DNS of the Cloudflare Warp tool website. Now here it's available for App Store, Google Play, Mac OS, Windows and Linux. We are going for Windows, but if you are using any other device, you can go with that. For Windows, it's absolutely free, and you can also read the further description over here if you want. Now after the downloading, just install it. The installation is pretty simple. You can just install it, and after installation, just click on the Windows icon and search for Warp, or just type Cloudflare Warp and just open it. Once you open it, you will see icon here, a cloudy icon. Now click on the settings. You will get here the two options. The upper one is 1.1.1.1 and the lower one is 1.1 with Warp. So basically, if the website is blocked or you cannot access the website or server, then you need to go with the second one, because second one have more privacy and encryption. The upper one is simple DNS, so it will provide the best DNS for you. Now a lot of people are using Google DNS and some open source VPN DNS, but I'm not recommending those. If you are looking for the better DNS, you can go with this option and just enable it. But if you are watching movies or just want to access some gaming servers, then you can go with the lower one. Now the lower one does not mean, as I said, it will not reduce your ping, but in case if you are facing trouble while connecting to the gaming server, then you can try this instead of the VPNs. It's work better than VPN, I can say that. Now it's on you guys. Just try it and drop your feedback if you are already using this one. It's absolutely free for PC and you don't need to pay anything for this. I hope you like this video. If you have any question or any suggestion for me, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.